Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have a Nissan Pathfinder and this car have a problem, trunk not working. So today I will show you how you can solve this problem. Okay, remote working, when I press with remote, this trunk perfectly working, but in here and backside switch not working. So I remove everything. Okay, and here is the switch panel. I got fault in inside this switch because this is not working. I will show you now I fix it and then decide to make a video. So inside this switch, see, there is one component which is damaged for cause goes inside water. That's why this trunk switch not working. Okay, so now I replace this switch. See, like this one same to same. So I replace now, and now I fix it back and then working this switch. Okay.